Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Wednesday. This is Darlene. I'm getting ready to make a couple of pendants. And I was sitting here, I was like, man, I need to clean this table off. I had my little niece over here the other day. And you know how you sit a kid in a spot and you say, okay, you sit right there, don't move, don't touch anything. You can only touch these beads right here, and here's some stretch cord, and do what you're going to do. By the time I looked up, because I was working at the same time, and by the time I looked up, little girl had stuff just all over the place. I mean, beads and just stuff all over the place, all over the floor. And I was just like, Lord, here we go. So I do need to clean my table. I know it's a mess right now, but I'm getting ready to make a couple of pendants. Oh no, I think I want to make let me see something. I think I want to make my hoop bigger, because I'm going to have these little dangles, charms hanging from here. And I don't want to use a jump ring. I just want to close the charms on the wire. Oh, you know what I'm going to do to make sure it's nice and secure? Let me do this. I'm going to wrap the wire around a little bit so those will be real secure. But let me straighten this wire back out, because I am going to bend it a little bit further up. Bend it up about right here. And then I'll put the charms on here, because I'm going to wrap the wire around. Then that way these charms will be secure on here. So we'll do it like that. And then I'll fold it like that. Take my pliers, and I only want to wrap it around a couple of times, like maybe once or twice, real good time, so it'll be nice and secure. About like that. And then we'll go ahead and clip this other part off. And then that's real secure like that, instead of using a jump ring. I want to get this closed good. And I am going to use one of the leather beads, and hopefully it'll hang or fit on here like I want it to. Out like that. And these are going to be pendants. So some simple leather pendants. Yep, and that hangs good. You can see where that part that I rolled up, it's tucked into the leather. And then all I see is the hoop at the bottom and the charms dangling. And then I want to use a coconut chip, and then one of these wood beads. And then this is what we get. So this is going to be a pendant. And these pendants could be used, whatever type of cord people want to use. You could even use a link chain, leather cord, suede cord. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to go ahead and pinch it like I do. Fold it over like that. And then go ahead and round it off and close it. Close it a couple of times. Wrap it around a couple of times. straighten that up. Got a lot of wire right here, and I don't need all this wire. So I'm going to go ahead and clip it about right there. And then what I want to do is I'm going to take the end of it, that wire, and then close it, roll it, not, oops, roll it close. It didn't roll close like I wanted, so I'm going to go ahead and just smash it. Up under the wire. And then you can see we got a cute little pendant. Just real simple and easy. Do I got some string up here somewhere? And this would be a real jazzy. This might even be cool with a link chain too. Just real easy. Nice little simple. And I got a sister girl. She wears necklaces and she likes long necklaces. Like I'm talking about 28, 32, and 36 inches, like really long. And I think she like them like that because she's tall. So she's nice and tall, a thin girl, and she likes really long. I very rarely see her in a necklace that's like a choker or something that's short, 18, 20, 22 inches or anything like that. They're always really long matinee necklaces that I see her wear. And she would generally have something that have, you know, like pendants hanging from it. So you'll have your nice cord, maybe linked or chain or whatever it is, and it'll always have some type of little pendant like this hanging from the, well, not like this, but a pendant hanging from the bottom. But I like those necklaces too. I just don't wear them for me, maybe because I don't have a lot of height to me. Well, I got enough height, but they just seem, the really long necklaces, they seem to look better on taller women. So anyway, these are the pendants. I am getting ready to sit here and make some more pendants. And I'll be back, Darling Night, and we'll talk.